Hey guys, I'm Natasha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with a new sponge I got by JUNO Co. So it is a microfiber velvet sponge and it's supposed to apply your makeup seamlessly, be almost like a makeup brush, and then not hold a lot of product inside of it. They do cool pictures where if you cut it in half, you can see where the product does actually sink into the sponge. So I already wet it. It's a little bit smaller wet than my beauty blender because it's smaller dry than my beauty blender. I think they might have a bigger one online. It was like $6 for it. So I am going to test it out and see how it works. I'm going to be using my everyday foundation, which is the Catrice liquid coverage. Let me put a little bit on my face. And let's see how this goes. So usually I would take my fingers and buff this out first and then go in with the beauty blender, but the sponge is doing pretty well. Now it doesn't seem to be picking up too much of the product and holding it. And it feels really soft. It's almost like you have to brush it instead of dab it because it's not as squishy as my Real Technique sponge. Let me see. That did a pretty good job. It's not patchy and it's pretty full coverage. I will show you in a second the amount of product that's left over on my... So you can see there's not that much product left. And it kind of looks like it's all on the surface of the sponge. I'm going to take some of my Coty Airspun powder and set my... No, wait, I need to put concealer on first. Alright, I'm going to take Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I have two favorites, Maybelline Fit Me and then the Catrice HD. The Catrice I take when I want a little bit fuller coverage, and the Maybelline is just kind of a good everyday lighter coverage, a little bit easier to sink into the skin without looking too thick. It's very natural. Just gives a little bit of coverage and brightening. I like it better than, people always rave over the Age Rewind, but I like this one better than the Age Rewind. And to be honest, I feel like the Age Rewind you have to like use a lot, and after using it like 4 times, then it's finished. This one I've had for a while and it's lasted. Alright, let me put some powder on. I'm going to use the same sponge. And put a little bit under my eyes. Down the nose. And all over the mouth. I should have used this to blend out my concealer, but I'm so used to using my fingers. Fingers are your best friend, and a lot of makeup people, makeup artists, use their fingers for a lot of their makeup application. I mean, it's perfect. And it doesn't take any product away, which is excellent. I mean, it's the original makeup brush. All right, so I'm gonna let this bake and do the rest of my face, and I will be right back. All right, so my full face of makeup is on, and I have to say I have very strong opinions about this sponge right now, and those opinions are all really good. I absolutely love this sponge. Not only is it so soft and just different from my other sponge, like it, and enjoyable to use, it is not taken much of my foundation off whenever I use it. There's barely any on the sponge right now, and my foundation is so full coverage right now, and my pores are filled in and blurred. Now, the foundation by itself does that excellent, like it does a great job, but there's something about what the sponge did that amplified it even more, and I am in love with it. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. I will definitely be using it again. I need to order some more so that if this one runs out, I have some extras back up. I recommend that everyone goes and gets one just to go and try it out. It's only $6. I mean, there's not much to think about there. But anyway, I highly recommend this sponge. Well, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel before you leave. If you have any other new products that you would like to test out, put it in the description bar below, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!